Hi guys, so if you've watched my channel at all, you know how big I am into packaging and how important that is for your skincare products. Packaging helps protect antioxidants and ingredients, and there's lots of brands that use good packaging, companies like Drunk Elephant, Kate Somerville, Juice Beauty, Skin Fix. They all use good airless jars. So now I found a way to fix other products that use poor packaging, such as First Aid Beauty, Clinique. They have good products but bad packaging. So I've, after doing some research, have found a way to help fix that problem, and I am proud to offer airless jars, and these are reusable. These are a good way to fix products that are overall basically good but with bad packaging. So if you know how to use these, click on the link below and it will show you a way to get a 15% off coupon. And if you want to stay tuned to see a demo on me filling these up, stay tuned. And I will show you guys how to use these, but these are going to help save your skincare products from their bad packaging. So in this box that I've designed myself, you'll find 2 airless jars. And also I've included a spatula to help you depot them. And you'll want to use these. Take a product like the First Aid Beauty coconut water. It's a good product. It has lots of good antioxidants in it. It's poorly packaged. So once you open this product, everything inside is exposed to light and air. And actually, if you use your fingers, it can become contaminated. So when you first purchase this, or it's brand new, if you put this in one of these pots, you can prevent all of the breakdown of antioxidants that occurs once it's open one time, and furthermore, each time you open it to use it, it is further exposed to light and air and even possible of contamination. So once you get this, you'll want to depot this into the airless jar, and that will protect the antioxidants from any exposure to light and air and make it much more beneficial. You'll reap all the benefits of the product that you spent your hard-earned money on when you put this in an airless jar. So take a product like the First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream. Once you open it, from the very first use, the product is exposed to light and air, which begins to degrade all of the antioxidants. Any exposure to light and air does not help antioxidants. And furthermore, when you go to apply it, if you use your fingertips, it can contaminate the product. So once you first purchase this, once you depot this, the very first time you open it, put it into the airless jar. This will help protect the antioxidants, and then furthermore, you will reap the benefits of all of the antioxidants, and they will be as effective as the very first time you used it, instead of once you get towards the bottom of this, every time it's been exposed to light and air, by the very end of the product, it probably has little to no efficacy left, and you're not going to reap as many benefits as you did the first time you used it. So I'm going to depot this for you guys so you guys can see how to do this once you get this into your home. So I've included just a little spatula in case you didn't have anything. They're little disposable spatulas. I've got something else, so if you have something else that you might find that might work a little bit better, definitely use that. So you just pour it out from the jar depending on the consistency of it. So just use your spatula. You can use the disposable one, or you can find little ones anywhere for sale, and just scoop out all of the product. It's minimally exposed to light and air as you do this, so just do that, and it's pretty easy to get almost every last drop out, and it's probably actually more economical to use it that way. So there we go. I've gotten almost every last bit out of it. And you just screw the top onto it. And then you want to prime the pump. So you're going to want to push it several times to kind of prime it. If you've ever used any Drunk Elephant products in the airless jar, you kind of know about priming the pump a little bit. It takes probably, I don't know, 10 or 20 of these, and then the product will start to dispense. And it's kind of containing, or it's creating a seal there. So there you go. And then it makes it also a little bit easier to dispense onto your skincare. So then each time you get a set amount, or however long you push the product. If you've used anything in the airless jar, you know how it works, but it's very easy to use. Definitely helps reap all of the benefits of the hard-earned money you spend on skincare. I think this product was somewhat around $30 or so. I Obviously, Clinique's got a lot. This, I think, was $36. So you definitely want to get every last dollar out of each product. So using the airless jar will help you do that.